The temperature outside just dropped to 15 degrees Fahrenheit.
The power has been out for 6 hours.
Your furnace is a useless metal box.
The firewood you thought you had, wet.
The emergency candles burned out 2 hours ago.
And your phone is at 4% battery with no signal.
Here is the part, often missed, about being in the deep cold. It is silent. No dramatic sounds, just a steady, gradual cooling until the world slowly fades into a quiet sleep.
But here is the thing. You are not helpless. Your body is a furnace, a 100-watt biological reactor that has been burning fuel since the day you were born. The problem is you are hemorrhaging heat into a frozen void faster than you can make it. Today, I am going to show you how to turn your body into a survival heater using physics and garbage. Your body generates about 100 watts of heat at rest.
But the cold does not care. It only cares how fast it can steal it. Conduction. You sit on frozen concrete and the ground sucks the warmth out like a vampire.
Convection. Wind moves across your skin, stripping away warm air. Every gust is a pickpocket. Radiation. Your body is constantly bleeding infrared heat into the air. Invisible, silent, deadly. Everyone knows you are supposed to layer up, but most people do it wrong. Real layering is about trapping air. Air is the best insulator, but only if it is dead air. Layer 1, the moisture manager. Wick sweat away. Avoid cotton for outdoor gear. Use wool or synthetics instead. Layer 2, the air trapper. Fleece, down, crumpled newspaper, bubble wrap. To maximize insulation, create numerous tiny air pockets. Fill your jacket with crumpled lightweight materials. Layer 3, the wind killer. Raincoat, trash bag, tarp. Cover your head, not because of the 90% myth, but because your warm blood flows there. Cardboard armor. It is free and full of air pockets. Flatten boxes, layer them under your clothes. You will look like a hobo knight, but a warm one. Bubble wrap underwear. Wrap it around your torso. It is windproof and insulates. Grocery bag vest. Crumple 4 or 5 bags and stuff them between layers.
The ground is an infinite heat sink. It does not warm up.
It keeps drinking your body heat until you are cold all the way through. Insulate yourself. Cardboard stacks, yoga mats, old clothes, newspapers. If you are in a car, do not sit on the seat. The metal frame conducts heat away. Do not try to warm the whole house. That is a fantasy. Pick the smallest room. Seal it. Towels under doors, plastic over windows. Build a shelter inside the room. A mattress fort. A human-sized insulated box. Your body heat stays inside that 3-foot cube instead of leaking into the room. Carbon monoxide is odorless, colorless, and it will kill you in your sleep.
Use the water battery. Hot water in a bottle. Tuck it against your core.
Body heat swarm. Huddle together. Share blankets. Candle clusters. 4 or 5 candles in a small room can raise the temperature. The reflector wall. Foil or emergency blankets behind you. Bounce the heat back.
Extreme cold impacts your thinking until you lose focus.
Stage 1. Shivering. Uncomfortable, but functional. Stage 2. You feel warm. You want to take off your jacket. This is the danger zone. Stage 3. Confusion. Slurred speech. You are done. Do not exercise to generate heat. You waste energy. Sit still. Conserve calories.
The cold is a thief, but you own the furnace.
Layer smart. Insulate from the ground. Shrink your space. Trap your heat. When the sun comes up and you are still breathing, you survived. The next blackout is not a question of if, it is a question of when. But you will be ready.